Greetings, SoCal tenants. Welcome to Martinez Law Center. We're here to protect your rights and fight for you, not your landlord. Can landlords really ban guests? Tenant Rights Unpacked. Picture this. You invite your best friend over for dinner, and suddenly your landlord claims they're banned from your home. Sounds outrageous? Unfortunately, it happens more than you'd think. But here's what we want every California tenant to know about your guest rights. The truth is, your landlord generally cannot impose a blanket ban on all guests. As a tenant, you have what's called the right to quiet enjoyment of your home, and that includes having visitors. However, landlords can establish reasonable limitations. Here's what landlords can legally do. They can prevent guests from becoming unauthorized tenants by setting time limits, like no more than 14 days in a 6-month period. They can create reasonable rules about guest behavior and numbers to prevent disturbances. And yes, they can ban specific guests who engage in illegal, disruptive, or harassing behavior. But here's where landlords cross the line. They cannot enforce complete guest bans. They cannot restrict visitors based on race, religion, or other protected characteristics. That's illegal discrimination. And they cannot unreasonably interfere with your fundamental right to have guests. Red flags to watch for include vague, no guest clauses, constant monitoring of your visitors, or harassment about who you invite over. These are often signs your landlord is overstepping their legal boundaries. Our advice? Always review your lease agreement carefully for guest policies. Document every communication with your landlord about guest restrictions. Remember, tenant rights vary by location, and California has strong protections. Some cities with rent control offer additional guest protections that go beyond state law. At Martinez Law Center, we specialize in defending tenants against unlawful detainer actions and protecting your rights. We've seen landlords try to evict tenants over guest disputes, but many of these cases are legally baseless when landlords exceed their authority. Don't let your landlord convince you that you have no rights regarding guests. You deserve to enjoy your home and welcome visitors without fear or intimidation. We stand with tenants, not landlords, and will fight to protect your right to quiet enjoyment of your rental home.
Call now 714-442-9741. Thank you.